In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set a 44 moving average in TradingView to help you analyze price trends better. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any step. Let's get started. Go to tradingview.com and sign in your account. Make sure your account is verified for full features. Go to the product section at the top. This will open a drop-down of TradingView tools. In the drop-down menu, choose Super Charts. This will take you to the main charting platform. Click Indicators at the top of the chart. This will open a search bar for indicators. Search EMA, then choose Moving Average Exponential from the list. This adds the EMA to your chart. Now you see EMA in the chart. Click it to edit. This will open its settings window. In the length section, input 44, then click OK to apply it. This sets your EMA to a 44 period average. And that's how to set a 44 moving average in TradingView. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!